Hello everyone and welcome. This is Chloe with Cousin DIY. Today I'm going to show you how to make a couple of projects using these little rubber bands. The first project will be bracelets. This is a few different versions, but the basic technique is the same. And the second will be these little bumblebees. The first thing is to load your first rubber band. And to do that, I put one rubber band on one arm and you're going to do a little twist. So you have a crisscross in the middle. And I'm just going to keep alternating between orange and red. Next, we load a red one on like that. The next step is to bring the orange up over the red, like so, and load your next rubber band, which will be orange. And once again, we're just going to bring the bottom rubber band up over the top. And as this starts to grow, I kind of like to pull it away from the clothespin. So I'm just going to keep alternating red and orange until we get to a length approximately the size of the wrist that you're making it for. There, I think that's good. So now the next step is to, the package comes with these little S clips. I have one here, and first step is to load that S clip. It's that easy. You just slide it over the two on that end, and we're going to do the same on this end. So I find it easier to take one at a time. And you just stretch it onto the other side of this S clip. Like so. And you have a bracelet. You can see how quickly these go together. The ones I originally showed you, on these I put little pony beads. To add those pony beads, you just slide both ends of the rubber band through the middle of the pony bead, and then you put it on here, and then you just keep adding rubber bands and alternating with pony beads. Next, I'm going to show you how to make these cute little bumblebees. Now I'm going to show you how to make these cute little bumblebees. What you will need to do that is a small crochet hook. I don't really know what size this is. Right here, I'm using a 2.25 millimeter, but it doesn't have to be exactly that size. You're going to need yellow, white, and black mini rubber bands and a pair of scissors. The first step is to join two blacks together, put your crochet hook through, and we're going to twist it one time around the crochet hook. Next, we'll take two yellows and we're going to pull one edge of those through the middle of these. Whoops, let's try that again. I tend to be all thumbs working on something this small, but it's really easy. Got the black, 2 yellows, and we're going to pull those through the middle of the black, and then I'm going to put both sides of the yellow like that, and then we're going to pull 2 more black through those yellow rubber bands. The same as we did before. Two more yellow. Oops, come on, come through. It helps to pull. I really want there. Okay. And the next step is to attach the antenna. And to do that, we're going to cut a black rubber band. Well, actually, let's just pull it through before we cut it. And we'll just tie a knot. Then we'll trim those a little bit. And lastly, we'll add the wings. And for that, I'll use 2 white, and I'm going to put them right through these black rubber bands. So I'll put my crochet hook through on top of Bumblebee through all those black bands. Come on, I need you to be included. There we go. And then we'll pull the white ones through like so. And you have a bumblebee. If you make your own rubber band bracelets or bumblebees, we'd love to see them. You can share them with us on Instagram at #CreateWithCousin. See you next time. Thanks for joining us. Bye.